Hi, I'm Keith from Amina Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about Edge. Edge series was developed specifically for an ease of installation. You just tape in the edge. It actually has a raised center panel with a slightly recessed side, so you can tape that right in. And the Edge series comes with the Edge 5, a narrow version of the Edge 5 called the Edge 5 S200. And then the Edge 3, which is a smaller version for smaller spaces, of course. So the Edge series has a little more SPL because it's not going to get covered with plaster. It's got good performance, good tonality, and will really be easy to install. It's also available in an IB version, so that with that you get the tab installation, the back box all included, or just general frame installation with the CV back box, or with blocks, or individual tabs. So in narrow spaces, in less deep, shallow spaces, the Edge is going to be a real performer. If you want to learn more about Edge, you can go to our website. It's www.aminasound.com, and you're going to find all kinds of solutions.